Hello mga kapatid, for today's video wala tayong gagawing vlog dahil may isi-share akong special na ibabahagi ko ang aking talent sa inyo. By the way, ito nga pala ang aking mga obra. So, pasensya hindi ko mapakita sa inyo sa harap ng camera, pero isa-isahin natin kung ano to. Ito, this is Yakult and Sprite and Surf and Babies. Ito Lays, Cadbury, Goya, Knorr, Grips, and Lily's, and C2, and Google, LA, and this one Pepsi, and this one Tang, and like this one C2, and this one ulit Hershey's, and this one JBT, and this one Cheesy, and this one Royal, not Royal, sorry, Ruyu, and Selecta, and this one Tang, and this one Clay, sorry, and like this one Process, and like this one Sprite, and this one Eurotex, and this one National, and this one Halal, and this one Nike, and this one Cloud9, and like this one Bicat, and this one Forgers, and most at all, ang favorite ko talaga, hulaan nyo, Creamo. By the way guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ko, palambing naman, pahingi lang ng like and share and comment, and don't forget to my YouTube channel, and search nyo doon sa search bar Christio Official, and sa blue up naman Tisoy ko. Yun lang, and always spread love, positivity, good vibes.